Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get chlorine out of hair. Before you even jump in the pool, a little preparation goes a long way. Wetting your hair with clean water helps it absorb less chlorine. Then, apply a leave-in conditioner or a natural oil like coconut oil to create a protective layer. For maximum defense, consider wearing a swim cap. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. After your swim, the first thing to do is rinse your hair thoroughly with clean water. This washes away a significant amount of chlorine right away. Next, use a clarifying or chelating shampoo, specifically designed to remove mineral and chemical buildup. Lather it well into your hair, focusing on areas that had the most exposure, and then rinse completely to ensure no residue remains. Chlorine can be drying, so deep conditioning is crucial for restoring moisture. After shampooing, apply a rich, deep conditioner or a hydrating hair mask. Let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeply. This step helps repair damage and brings back softness. Finish with a cool water rinse to seal your hair's cuticles, enhancing shine and smoothness. For ongoing care, natural remedies can be very effective. A diluted apple cider vinegar rinse, about 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, can help balance your hair's pH and remove any lingering chlorine. For daily moisture, a few drops of argan or jojoba oil can keep your hair hydrated. Remember to limit heat styling, as excessive heat can further dry out chlorine-exposed hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.